guys, this is Kamal from Stellar Update, and in this video I am going to show you how you can trade on the Stellar decentralized exchange, Stellar Term. So in this video I am going to tell you everything about it, how to get started, how to create an account, how to log in into your account, and how to trade various assets available on the Stellar network. So let's get started. So first you have to go to stellarterm.com and you will be greeted with this page. To get started, you can either use your existing Stellar account. So if you have a Lobster account, you can simply extract the private key and use it here, or in either case, if you have access to your private key from any other wallet, you can use it here. If you don't have any Stellar account, you can create a new account by clicking on this button, new account. Click here and you can generate a new Stellar account. You'll be given a public key and a private key, and you must send at least 1 Lumens to get started, because 1 Lumen is required to activate your Stellar account. I suggest adding around 10-20 Lumens to actually start buying assets. And if you have a Ledger account, Ledger hardware wallet or a Trezor wallet, you can straight away log in using those. No need to create any account or log in using a private key or a password. Simply use your Ledger hardware wallet or your Trezor hardware wallet to log in into the Stellar Term. That is a more secure way to do so, and if you have them, and you can, I definitely suggest using either of those two, because they are definitely more secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to log in. So I can either click here to log in, or I can click here to log in. I will paste my secret key here. Click on I accept the terms of use, understand the risk associated with cryptocurrencies, know that the Stellar Term does not issue or endorse any asset on the Stellar network. Log in and wait. So this is it. Here you can see my Stellar address. This is my Federation address, and this. So you can, what is a Federation address? A Federation address is simply a short address. You can use this address to easily send Stellar Lumens here. So you can tell your friend, hey, instead of sending your friend this long string, you can just tell him, hey, send me some Lumens to Stellar Update *stellarterm.com, and you can easily change it to anything that you want, provided it is available. So you can change it to anything. Let's say, let's write SDTPD, whatever. So if I just click on save, my new Federation address will be SDTFGJ *stellarupdate.com. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click cancel, because I think this one is better. Okay, so here you can see I have 326 Lumens in my account, and this is an asset that I bought while playing a game on the Light Mint. So just ignore this for the time being. Okay, so if you want to send somebody Lumens or any asset that you own, just click on send here, enter the address, the recipient address. So if you're sending it to a friend or somebody, you can just enter their Stellar address. You can paste their Stellar address here, or you can use their Federation address. For example, my Federation address, which I mentioned just a few seconds back, is Stellar Update not @ stellarterm.com. You can see that it immediately got resolved to this address. Works like magic, much better than typing in these letters one by one, because you can make a mistake. It's also more secure, because you will not send it to a wrong location, wrong address. Now enter the amount here. It says warning, you're sending to yourself. Duh, obviously I am. So you can enter the amount here. Let's enter 1 Lumens, and here you can enter the memo. If you want to send a message to somebody, you can write sending to self. Click on next, then click on submit transaction, and it will just take a second. Your transaction will be sent. Stellar network is super fast, unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum. It just takes a few seconds, and you saw that it took me like 5-6 seconds. And you can check the history here. Click on activity, payments, and you can see that here I sent one Lumens to myself. Stellar payments are super fast, and this applies to the Stellar assets as well. What are Stellar assets? Stellar assets are Stellar tokens, just like Ethereum tokens, and they run on the Stellar network. So how to trade these Stellar tokens? For that, click on exchange here. Now it is loading the topmost, most popular token on this exchange here. To see the other tokens, click on markets. You can see all the tokens here: SLT, TON, USD, MOBI, BTC, and BTC here is actually a Stellar token. Just like we have WBTC on the Ethereum network, we have BTC token on the Stellar network. So this has been issued by many organizations or many people here, and each token is backed by real BTC, so you can claim the real BTC if you want. So you have BTC offered by APay, you can have BTC offered by Stellarport, Ethereum offered by Stellarport. We also have Euro token. This is a stable coin. And USD, this is also a stable coin. This is pegged to 1 USD. This is pegged to 1 euros. We have Ethereum by Interstellar.exchange. Then we have Ethereum by APay. And we have some other Ethereum tokens that are also available for trading. So we have Litecoin here. We have Ripple. All sorts of coins. We also have some stable coins like silver, palladium. I don't know this one, but this is also a stable coin offered by mintex.co. We have Argentinian currency here, ARST. So these are all stable coins. So let's take a look at MOBI. So this is one of the tokens that is available. To start trading any token, you can click on the trade. Just click on trade here. This will open a page. Now here it shows the last price, the last USD price, the 24-hour change. So you can see that it moved to the positive side by nearly 3%. Here you see the 24-hour high and 24-hour low, and the volume, which is 43,000 something. Here you can see the line chart. You can move to candlestick as well if you want, and if you want, you can change the time intervals. You can click on 1D to change it to daily, or 1W to change it to weekly. Pretty easy. Click on the bar chart as well to see the bars here. I like the candlestick one. So you can also toggle to the log if you're into that. Scroll down and you can see that you can create a new offer. You can buy MOBI or sell MOBI if you have. We don't have any, so let's buy some MOBI. To start buying, you must establish a trust line, and you can do so by clicking on accept. This takes like half lumens away from your account, which is why I said you should have some lumens. And now you can buy or sell MOBI. So to buy MOBI, let's buy 1 lumens worth of MOBI. Type in 1, select one of the sell offers, and click on buy here. So it tells you here that you will get 14.12 MOBI for 1 Stellar lumens. Stellar network is super fast, and you will see that I'll immediately get MOBI here. Unlike Ethereum, where you have to wait for a long time and there's so much fees involved. Here things are almost instant. Okay, so I think my order didn't get filled. It should have got filled by now. Okay, let's remove this offer. Let's select this one because I think I was outbid by somebody. I don't know. Okay, let's enter 3 here. So maybe now it will get fulfilled. Click on buy again. Hopefully it will be filled this time. It is super fast. You will see it now. There you go. Immediately, in 5 or 6 seconds, my order was fulfilled. And Similarly, if you want to sell it, it's like 100%. You want to sell 100% of your movie shares or movie tokens, and here it shows you that you'll get, let's select this one because I want my order to be fulfilled immediately. Here you can see I'll get 0.94 Lumens back. I click on sell. Always trade the tokens that have decent liquidity. If the price difference between the buy and sell offers is huge, I suggest, and you really want to buy it, make sure you make a buy offer instead of buying directly from the sell offers. So you can see my trade is completed. Shows you a nice little notification, and whatever offers you make, they go down here. So since all of my offers are fulfilled, I have no buy or sell offers. Very easy to use. If you want to go back to the main screen, click on account. Anyway, as you can see, it is super easy to use, and it's all happening on the Stellar network. Stellar Term or any other Stellar decentralized exchange is just a gateway or a front end. All the transactions are actually happening directly on the Stellar network. Just like the Uniswap exchange, that is just a front end, and it's giving you a UI to make those trades. In a similar way, the Stellar Term is giving you a UI to make trades on the Stellar network. It's super easy to use and super fast, and the fees are negligible. Like I spent like 0.001 Stellar Lumens to make those trades. And if you're trading on something like Ethereum, you might have spent like $50-$60 already, and that's a lot of lumens. Could have bought lumens with that kind of money. So we also have multi-signature. It is disabled on my wallet. You can have multi-signature functionality to enhance the security. But that's a topic for another video. On the activity, you can see your open orders, the trades that you have done. So far, you can see that we traded Mobi, the payments that you have made to somebody or you have received, the signers, how many people can sign on this account. Here you can see this, since the multi-sig functionality is disabled, you can see that there's only one signer, which is me. And the trust line that we have established so far, you can see that I have two trust lines established. This is a gaming token, and this is a Mobi network token. So that's all about it. That's how you trade and manage your funds on the Term exchange. This is a great exchange. It is safe to use. The only thing that you need to keep safe is your private key. And if you're too paranoid about it, you can directly trade from your ledger or your Trezor wallet. Hope you found this video useful. Stay subscribed on this channel for more Stellar related news and tutorials.